a really good way of getting offline clients, like not thinking about anything online at all, is to use the other networks that you have in real life, in connection with people. And so I call this like referrals and rebookings.
Mhm.
And the first thing is to look at the clients that you do have and make sure that your rebookings are really strong, because having a way to be able to get someone to come in more than once and even to become an ongoing permanent client, if that's right for them, is a fantastic way to grow your business. It means every new client you get in the door, instead of just having that one treatment from them, they become like an asset to your business. And over time, as you get more and more clients on your books, your business just becomes more and more stable. So having a solid rebooking plan and strategy is really, really vital, no matter what marketing you're doing, whether it's online or offline. Once you've got that kind of community of people that does love you, that comes back regularly and is really liking what you do, getting them to refer is really great. The challenge with referrals is that quite often people just sort of leave it up to chance. They're like, oh, if I do a really good job, my clients will refer. And it's great when they do. That's excellent marketing. You can also, as well as that, offer incentives for referring. So you can create things like little gift vouchers, which you would give to your existing clients and say, this is for you to give to your friends. It's a 50% off voucher or a $30 off voucher or something. I'm giving you two. They expire at the end of this month, so don't make it too far away. If you want to give those to your friends, that'd be great. And your client doesn't even necessarily need an incentive themselves. Some people will do that. They'll like give them a $20 off or something for referring. But often it's not about that. It's about them being able to just have an excuse to go and tell their friends that you're so fantastic. And giving their friend a voucher gives that client enough of an incentive themselves to be able to do that. And if you look at it, if every one of your clients referred to just one other person, you'd immediately double your client base.